In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply sales tax on Squarespace. Navigating the intricacies of online selling platforms can be a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to adding those crucial details such as sales tax. Squarespace, with its user-friendly interface, makes this process straightforward. Let's dive into the steps on how you can set this up, ensuring your online business is tax compliant. First off, head over to the Squarespace website. Here you'll find the login page. Click on the login button. For those of you who prefer streamlining your accounts, Squarespace offers the Continue with Google option. This is quite handy as it saves you from memorizing another password. Just click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you wish to use for Squarespace. Once you're logged in, your next step is to access your website dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the direct link to go to your website, easily found after you've logged in. Squarespace's dashboard is where all the magic happens, from designing your website to managing sales. Now, to get into the specifics of setting up sales tax, you'll need to navigate to the settings section of your dashboard. Look for the settings option. It's your gateway to configuring all the back-end aspects of your Squarespace site. After selecting settings, your next click should be on selling. It's here where Squarespace gathers all the tools and options related to your selling process. Inside the selling settings, you'll find the taxes section. This is where you can define and manage how taxes work on your website. Once you click on taxes, you'll be in the right place to start adding specific tax rates. Squarespace makes adding a new tax rate simple with the ADD rate button. Clicking this brings you to the section where you can specify the details for the tax rate you're adding. You'll select your country first, as tax rates can drastically vary depending on location. After selecting your country, you'll be prompted to click Next. This next step is crucial as you'll need to name your tax. Providing a specific name helps you easily identify this tax rate when reviewing orders or your website's tax settings in the future. Following the naming, you'll input the actual tax rate. This would be the percentage that applies to sales in your selected country. Make sure to research and confirm the correct current tax rate to remain compliant with local tax laws. Finally, after you've input all the necessary information, you're ready to solidify your changes by clicking Save. This action finalizes your tax rate settings, applying them to the appropriate sales on your Squarespace site. And there you have it, a concise step-by-step guide to adding sales tax on your Squarespace website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to update your site's tax settings, I hope this tutorial helps streamline the process for you. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your online presence effectively and efficiently.